Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I have a review of the WorkProX. This is the cordless pole hedge trimmer. So this thing extends pretty tall and allows you to cut your hedges from a distance. So if your hedges are really tall, then this is going to allow you to get up and cut them. Let's go through exactly what we're looking at here, and then I'll give you guys a little demo. So my first thoughts, pretty easy to put together. All you had to do was insert this part here and then tighten this to attach the two parts, the head with the base basically. And then over here we have the handle, and basically just like any other power tool. Now I haven't tried any sort of WorkProX tool before, so I'm curious about the quality. It did come with a battery right here, and I actually do like this about the battery. Hit the power button, it's gonna tell you the exact percentage, which is actually really nice. And then on the back side here, this doesn't come with like your typical battery charger. You charge it on the USB-C port right there, and we'll charge this up to 100%. And then you just install it like typical. It does come with a USB-C kit and then a manual right here. So let's get this installed. That's interesting. This unit actually has a dent in it. This was a review unit sent over by WorkPro, so that could be what is going on there. But regardless, let's get this plugged in and see how it cuts. All right, one thing I forgot to mention is that this battery is 2 amp hours, so not huge by any means, but generally this kind of tool does not take a ton of power. If you want to extend it, you flip this down and it can go pretty dang long. I know that's going to be out of the shot, but let's go ahead and just test it out. And I don't want to cut that power line, but just see if we can cut any of these branches. All right, so that's cutting, so right there I'm actually stuck, but that's cutting through some pretty thick branches actually. So if you stick it in the branches and then try to turn it on, it doesn't have enough torque, but if you try to just go through them, if you turn it on first and then go through them, you got plenty of torque. So honestly, I'm pretty surprised at how thick of branches this is cutting. I mean, you can see there, that's not the biggest one, but it did cut through some pretty big ones. I think it's because these things are pretty razor sharp. And I didn't even charge the battery, so that's still at 71%. So definitely a nice little tool. I've got a Milwaukee one of these, and it probably cuts a little thicker branches and doesn't have the torque issue. But overall, this thing is pretty nice, and it comes with its own little battery. If you don't need it for any huge jobs, definitely check it out. I'll have a link down below.